Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making chocolate peanut butter eggs with a secret ingredient. And that secret ingredient is bone broth. If you guys follow along, then you know I love adding bone broth into unconventional recipes, especially desserts. Anytime you can sneak in a little extra bone broth is always a bonus. Now these dark chocolate peanut butter filled eggs are just like the classic Reese's, but made so much better. They're quick and easy. Let me show you guys how to make them. So I'm using Kettle and Fire today, which is my favorite bone broth. I'll link it for you guys in the description along with a discount. And I'm using the beef flavor today because I feel like it's really neutral, so it goes really well with desserts and especially chocolate. Bone broth has collagen, amino acids, protein, and more, so I love putting it in desserts. So first you're gonna grab a large mixing bowl. And first we're gonna add in our peanut butter. Next we're gonna add in our bone broth. Then we're gonna add in some coconut flour. And of course some powdered sugar. And then last, some vanilla extract. Mix on low using a hand mixer until you have a stiff dough. Next, you're gonna line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Next, you're just gonna form the dough into the shape of eggs using your hands. So once the eggs are all formed, now we're gonna melt the dark chocolate. Now you can do this in a double boiler, or you can do it in the microwave doing 30-second intervals, stirring between each one. That's gonna help prevent from burning. Now you guys know I love using mini dark chocolate chips for melting, but if you guys wanna use a chopped up chocolate bar, that's totally okay too. And I'm doing dark chocolate today, but you guys could coat these in milk chocolate or even white chocolate if you prefer. Once the chocolate is completely melted, now we're just gonna dip the peanut butter eggs in the chocolate, coat them completely, and then put them back on the baking sheet. I like to use a fork like a spoon so the excess chocolate can drip back into the bowl. Now we're gonna pop these eggs in the freezer so we can set the chocolate. That way we can do that extra drizzle right on top. Once the chocolate is set, then you can drizzle that excess chocolate right on top. And then if you know me, you know I love topping these with a flaky sea salt. But this part is totally optional. Now we're just gonna pop these back in the freezer and let that extra chocolate set up. And now we have dark chocolate peanut butter filled eggs that are so much better than the originals. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more creative ways to cook and bake with bone broth, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. You guys, these are so good. They're so much better than Reese's. And look at that creamy peanut butter filling. You guys, these are so good. You have to make these for Easter.